Here, Daddy, hold this for next time.
Ew is right.
Say hop. We're going to stand on Daddy.
Guess what? Daddy understands me now. Ew.
Hop. Hop.
Hop on Pop.
There he is.
We have that book. We have that book. Were you walking?
Hi. Hi, you want to say hi for the camera? Say hi to Grammy and Kate and everyone out there. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello. Oh.
Daddy's threatening with drool. Watch out, I'll get the drool monster over to you.
Or the milk monster. Trying to hold it in, Peter.
Oh. Oh.
If you do that, it may be
Little sleepy boy.
USA.
Yeah.
All this little white stuff spots on your face.
Row. You see something? Did you see something?